All right, guys, this is exactly where we found ourselves last weekend. Not Saturday, I guess, but Sunday at the same time here. So not quite a week. We are going to another show today. We're traveling probably an hour, 15 minutes away. We're taking both of these guys again. This is actually just a Bronco specific show. So if you don't like Broncos, this video is not for you. We're gonna take a little road trip down. I gotta wash off the Bronco 2. Berta got her bath last night, all cleaned up, ready to roll. Actually, she got tire rotation, new rag joint and steering shaft, oil change. Man, there was something else I did too. Anyway, bunch of little maintenance things. We actually have a huge trip coming up. We're driving from Central Washington to Moab and back in a week, doing kind of a little trip with some other guys. So taking this, decided I'd start doing some maintenance stuff on it. Even when you feel low, you can still I'm not gonna bore you with watching this. I'll see you on the road. You can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. Good morning. Good, I'm Ed. Thanks for coming. You've been here before? Nope. Have you pre-registered for the event? Nope. Okay, that's all right. There's a copy of the cruise for tonight. There's an application for registration. Registration on the small right, okay? Once you guys get your card, head up there and they'll get you registered. We appreciate y'all. Thank you. But even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more. There's our hired driver, Chevy guy, driving our Fords. Let's go look around. 79.
The number's 124.
Says it's stock, so obviously it's clean. Cruise control truck, nice. Yep, Yosemite Sam's up there. Pretty nice.
What's that?
Well, just look. Yep, remember the number, girls. You can pick your favorite one, okay? Since you're not helping with the flyers.
That's not a good picture. I had my mouth full.
Yeah.
It's like a...
Dude, that thing is sick. I think this one's stock. What do you think? No? Oh, come on. What do you think, Adeline? All stock? You buy it this way? Very cool. Custom half cab. I like it.
And I remember climbing into that thing and sitting.
You guys recognize this one? Made it down here. Definitely drives better than it did when it got to our place. That's his other one. This one's cool. Straight six. Clean. Stock. Uncut half cab. Yeah, I like this. I like that a lot. Another uncut. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, that's a nice pair right there. These guys came down from British Columbia. He said it's a bad omen to pop the hood, but it's got a Coyote in it too. Oh, it's a clean truck. Nice blue. It's got dark navy interior. It's got a good look to it. I like it. My wife told me I was weird for putting that on ours.
You put that on ours?
I did.
Did you put that on ours, Dad? I'm doing
joining us on that little adventure. Bronco drove pretty good. We rotated the tires and it ended up having a little bounce to it. So I put them back where they were. The front ones on this thing cup a little bit and I didn't get them rotated soon enough, and they don't like being in the back. So ordered a couple tires for the front of this because the back ones are still in good shape before our big trip. And let me know if you guys want to go along for that journey. Should be a good trip. A couple days down there, be down there for 3 or 4 days I think, and then a couple days back. Yeah, should be fun. The Bronco show was pretty cool. There was lots of neat trucks there, a little bit of everything. Obviously more early Broncos and more modern Broncos than anything, but the little Bronco 2 actually took home some hardware out of its class. It won its class there, so that was kind of cool. Pretty well received for a Bronco 2. Wasn't really sure what to think when we built that, if it was going to be received well by the population or not, because they're kind of the redheaded stepchild of the Bronco world. So yeah, that drove good. Bronco 2 drove good. We're getting some work done on this girl here. It's filthy, but definitely getting some stuff done on it here. Brake lines, steering, washer fluid, it's wired and all that. I started plumbing it. I got the hose for that, so I'll get that all wrapped in there and plumbed up. Intermittent wiper setup for it. So definitely a yin and yang pair of Broncos here. We got patina and paint. Pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see more of something else, a little or less of something, let me know. We do have a couple cool projects in here right now. I'll probably do some video work with here and show you guys what we got going on. Actually, there's only one in here. A little flat fender in here. It's kind of a cool truck. Got some old school goodies on it. It's a high hood, single barrel Holley Sniper, which is what's giving the guy fits. Semi flathead 4-cylinder in it still. So this is the reason the hoods on these had to be higher, from what I have learned now. Intake valves are in here. Exhaust valves are still in the head. Kind of a cool deal. Windows are in the van now. Got to finish gluing those in from the outside, make them look pretty, but it's definitely getting there. So I'm gonna get this one busted out. Should be a quick in and out project, I think. There's some wiring things I don't like. Holley is very specific on their wiring with these, so we're gonna move some stuff, change some stuff around, see what it does. It's wanting to die randomly on them while you're driving it, and then it won't start. So we're gonna do that. A couple of the little projects coming in, just quick in and out stuff. So take you guys along for those. Those are easy to film. I do have some other videos backlog that I'll get up here pretty soon. So yeah, if you guys like what you're seeing, let me know. Leave a comment down below, leave a thumbs up. Make sure that notification bell is on so you don't miss anything, because obviously you never know what you're gonna find inside this shop. We work on a little bit of everything. So make sure you're subscribed, that way you don't miss it. And until next time guys, keep building awesome stuff. We'll see you later.